Did you know that having gallstone causes frequent fatigue, weight challenges, gallbladder infection, and even the risk of having to surgically remove your gallbladder altogether? What if there was a natural, safe, and non-invasive alternative to this? Now, here is the issue. Most people think that stones are formed only in our kidneys, not knowing that we also have stones that are currently being formed in our gallbladder, which are mainly fats and cholesterol. And most of us who are aware think that by getting healthy and in shape is all about just exercising and eating better. Now, while that is true, they miss out the most important element. Imagine trying to just exercise and eat your way to less gallbladder stones. It just won't work. First, you will need to reset, restore, and revive your body to prevent and get rid of the stones so that your organs can function at optimal levels again. In my workshop, I will share with you the 3 steps in the revival method so you can do exactly that. How? By first resetting the body. I will share with you how you can remove the toxins from your body so that your body will have a reduction in the stone crystallizations. Next, restore the body. Learn how you can restore the functions of your organs to efficiently flush out toxins and break down fats to help you get in shape and have high energy level. Finally, reviving the body. You discover how to nourish your body through certain food in an enjoyable way. Join me and my team at Farms Asia to start your journey to reset, restore, and revive your body to a better, healthier you. Click on the link now to register.